Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today we're going to make this beautiful Christmas bow using scraps of ribbon. So let's get started. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to make it long enough so that I can fold it in half and lay it into my Bowdabra Bow Maker. We're going to be using all Bowdabra.com ribbons today. So I'm going to take this pick that I have that I don't even know, I've had it for years, and I just kind of am going to reuse it and lay this here. Actually, I'm going to put the berries in first and then put my little apple in here. And then I'm going to take our ribbon and we're just going to lay this in, and I've already dovetailed the ends, and you dovetail by just folding in half and cutting from the fold to the end. So we'll just lay all these in here. And if you're not aware, we do have a lot of videos on our YouTube channel, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook. And what I love about this bow is you can just use all your scraps of ribbon that you've been saving but didn't want to throw away, or of course you can cut new ribbon. And then we're just going to lay our last little pick in here and take the wand, and we're just going to scrunch everything down. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, and the reason that we folded in half is because now I have a slip knot, so I can just pull it really tight when it's still in the Bowdabra. Pull it out so I'm not struggling, because this is a pretty thick bow. Separate the ends. Bring it around to the back and tie a knot. And then I'm just going to shape it, pull it all around, and just shape it out. And then you have this gorgeous bow that could be a perfect tree topper or absolutely beautiful on a wreath. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. See you in the next video.